Ever pondered on how to add your iCloud photos to a Google shared album? It's a common quandary, and today we will unravel the steps to make this possible. First and foremost, the key to this process is the link to the shared album. The owner of the Google shared album will send you this link via email, text message, or any other social network. When you click this link on your phone, the shared album opens, ready for your contribution. Once the album is open, you're ready to add your photos. Click on Add Photos. Your phone's photo gallery will open and you can select the photos you wish to contribute. After selecting your photos, simply tap Add in the upper right corner. Voila! You've just added your photos to a Google Photos shared album. However, there might be a few additional steps. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This could be an email address ending in gmail.com, but not necessarily. It could be any address you use to sign into any of Google's services, such as YouTube, Blogger, Calendar, and so on. You may also encounter a message that says, "It's better in the app." It is recommended to ignore this and instead tap on Continue on Web. If at this point you still don't see your photos, there's one more thing you can do. Tap on the Upload button, represented by the icon of a cloud with an up arrow at the top right. So, to summarize, adding your iCloud photos to a Google shared album is as simple as clicking the shared album link, selecting Add Photos, choosing your photos, and tapping Add. If needed, sign in with your Google account, continue on the web, and use the Upload button. There you have it. A simple step-by-step process to bridge the gap between Apple's iCloud and Google Photos. Now you can enjoy sharing and receiving photos, regardless of the platform you or your friends prefer. Happy sharing!